We're doing a start in Gray, Tennessee. We've got almost 85% humidity. Little bit of mold on the top, and we'll show you what it looks like later on. Problem is, this is a vented crawl space, and you know what that is? That's an aluminum air conditioning trunk line. 7 months out of the year, it's not even insulated. Warm, moist air comes in, hits that, and water drips everywhere there into great big puddles, and humidity gets up to 87%. The entire crawl space is below ground, so we talked him out of getting insulation. We'll be happy to give the house anything that it needs, but to insulate this would be just money out the window. This is after clean out, removing all the debris. You can see the mud, see the wet on top of the ground. Contractor's plastic wasn't doing anything for that. The Dimple mat down between the piers. Here's what your crawl space is starting to look like. Monday we're going to bring a saw and cut that completely out. Midway through. Going from 1-inch composite board to 2-inch treated lumber with PVC over top of that. We started at about 84% humidity. After we got the ground covered, we got about 2 hours to go on the ground covering this Dimple mat. But after covering the ground, we went to about 75%, and here's where we are after running the dehumidifier overnight. 2x6 treated lumber, a few coats of polyurethane. I can't imagine it possibly being any more covered than it is. All right, it's Friday afternoon. I thought I would take a video before we, start yanking lights out of here and that sort of thing. The warranty on the wall covers 20 years on the workmanship and 5 years on the dehumidifier.